So hi all, today's video is about creating new projects in Keil application. So before the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So here you can see we can click on project. So from the project you just give the some names which the application needs. So here already I have a sample which is test sample. So I'm just creating one more sample with the same name. So once this is done, we can click the save button. So that is done, then you will get a screen like this. So here you can select the software legacy packages, or if you are using STM or something, you can choose accordingly. So here it is for LPC 2378 legacy package we have to select, then we have to choose the board name, that is LPC 2378. so once then you can read the instruction, click OK. So this will pop up will come. So if you want an assembly code sample, you can click OK, otherwise leave it. So right now this will get created a target one. Under that the and one source group is also there. So here we have that build, manage, add, all those options under this target. So once this is done, then click on that new file, select assembly file. So for that we have to select assembly file.s from that drop down. So once that is done, then the file name we can give accordingly. So here I am giving test, so test.s, then click OK. So in the source group we can see that file is getting added. So that is the one way of adding it, or if we have an existing file, we can get that file added to here from the location which we copied. So here I am creating a test1.s file since I have already test file. So here this is the .assembly file which I have created. Now we need to get some samples, so I'm just copying few samples from the already existing examples. So from there I have a sample which we will be using basic to advanced level of assembly codes, and so I'm just copying the code here and into our test.ss file I will be copying it so that we can get that compilation output. So here once this is done, we need to save it. Then you can click on that build button to build the entire project. So it will build all the necessary packages, which here you can see in the down it will get builded without any error. So once build is done, then you can build the batch build. That is not required, but if you want, if you are getting any error, then we need to build it. Since in this project the target is already available, if the target is not added, you are forming it as a fresh copy, then you will get an error in bottom like target not found. In this case it is not there. So if we build, we will navigate to the debug page. See here in the debug page, when I click on the debug button, it came here. So the program is running successfully on target 1. So for stopping also you need to click on the same, and you can add debug button if you want. Now in the project, if you click project, if you are getting an error kind of target not found, mostly the people will be getting that error if you are installing it for the first time. That case you need to go to this options, go to the linker. So in the debugger you make sure that you have selected use simulation since you are not connected any hardware. Then try to build the project. So that is the one mandatory check which we need to do. Then once again we will be checking, I will show all the configurations which is required for the setup, like in assembler what we have to select, all that. So all the details you will be getting here. C++, assembly language, linker. In linker and in the devices, so in the device you will get the device history, kind of what are things we have to select. So you can go to each tab, but then required tab is linker. So linker, make sure use that checkbox is clicked. Then if you have hardware, then go for that hardware, do the settings, or else use simulator and click OK. Then your program will be get compiled successfully. So this is that initial and very beginning step which you have to follow. So here the build is successful, so I am getting target created for the first time, and so we are all set or ready to start our new program, or we can run this program. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more